I guess in this video I'm going to discuss about sort and limit query in MongoDB. So at here I'm using NoSQL Booster. So first at here I wanna make this comment to here, or you should use or double forward slash. So at here compiler cannot understand this one. Now here after the first thing is going to discuss about limit. So at here let's write. So at here I'm using Adam or database, and inside Adam you can find this connection w underscore dev employee student and dbr. So at here a student has 11 documents. So total count 11. It's displaying. Now here after let's use db at this point db, and here press dot, and here writing collection student. Now here after find. So about the find method I already discussed. Now here after limit, and here giving the limit to, so total at here it's documents are 11. So I wanna filter only 5 documents. So here if you execute this query, so see at here attributes it's a 5, it's a displaying. Now here you can check 1 2 3 4 5 total numbers of at here 5 document it's displaying at here. Now if you take the cursor at limit, so at a use limit method on a cursor to specify maximum number of document the cursor will return. So at here by using limit 5, so top 5 document that returning at here. So at here at department ID 10. Now the next thing is, so at here with this query you can do. So let's copy and paste at here. You can write at a pretty method you can write. So if you take the cursor, so at here or about the pretty, configure the cursor to display result in an easy to read the format. So by using pretty you can find the output, so it's easy to read. So see at here ID, department name, and here manager ID. Or you can use at here. So here after you can use for each, and here in for each method you can pass print JSON. So if you execute this query, so at here this is or displaying records in this format. So ID, this is the ID here, and here this is the number here, department ID. So 10 name administrator, and here manager ID 200 and 1700 location ID. So at here this is number, these 3 are number tabs, and here these 2 are string format tabs. So if you take the cursor at for each, so I iterate the cursor to apply JavaScript function to each document from the cursor. So this is things about for each, and here this is the JSON. So if you use at here for each, so output display at this format. Now the next thing is so this is about to limit. Now the next thing is at here second thing is sorting. So at here for sorting, next example going to discuss about sorting. So at here let's copy and paste. So after find going to use the sort method. So sort, and here going to do the sorting. So at here there is a one column, department ID is there. So going to write department underscore ID. So it's a case sensitive. So if you give at here open and lower case, so you cannot get expected output. So here department ID 1. So it will sort on ascending order here. Now here after going to use for each. So for each and here going to use. So at here E must be in capital letter. Then you get the expected output. So see, and here after write print JSON. So if you execute this query, so this will display the output in ascending order. Here this is the output is ascending orders. First I applied sorting on department ID. So add here 10 first, 20 next, hereafter or 30, hereafter 40, like this the output it's displaying. Now the next thing, if you want to display the output in descending order, you have to give -1. Now let's execute that. So query executed and you see first is 1110, 100, next or 90, here after 80, 70, 60, like this the output it's displaying. So here for ascending order you have to give positive value, and here for descending order you have to give negative. So let's give at here, this time going to give -3. So let's see what happened. So one more thing, select, after that execute. So at here I'm getting invalid sort value. So here department ID the value is invalid. So either you can give at here. So if you take the cursor, so here you get the message. So field either 1 or -1. So you must apply a sort to the cursor before retrieving and document from the database. So at here is -1 or here post -1. So if I give at here -3, so I'm not getting expected output. Let's execute here. So this is the error message. So if you give at here -2, then again you will get the, so again the same thing. But if I give at here -1, so definitely I will get expected output at here. So no any error, and here it's a output it's a displaying into descending order. Now here after you can apply, so third point is at here or you can apply sorting with limit. So at here I'm going to copy this, and here let's paste it down, and here first is sort, and here after going to write at this point limit. So add here dot limit, and here so limit to add here passing the value 3. So add here see I'm getting the red signal, that means it's a case sensitive. So add here we must give the limit is in a small letter. So now there is no any problem. So let's execute that. So first that sort the value, and here this will or display top 3 values. So see first add here, so add here see -1. So first that to the descending, here after descending it's already display from down from bottom top 3 values. So from bottom 110, here after 100, here after 90. So we can apply sort with limit also. So if you give add here 1, so this will display top 3. So top 3, so first is 10, next is 20, hereafter 30. So this is the use of sort and limit method inside MongoDB. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.